My name is Kristin, and I am starting my Sweet Adventure Alabama's cookie clips on YouTube. As you can see, I have yet to upload a video, so I'm here tonight going to make this quick video to teach you how to make your own Royal Icing Transfer Templates. And what we're going to use, or what I like to use, is my Cricut Design Space. Now for this one, I'm just going to use some Cricut, a little Cricut image, but normally I can draw in, Procreate and upload an image, so it's really a neat thing. So we're going to do a new project, and for this, on my Design Space blank canvas, I'm going to open up and have two squares. The first square that I'm going to use is going to be 6.5 inches. And I'm going to leave this a dark gray. The next square that I'm going to import is going to be a 6-inch square. And the reason I do this is because I use cello sheets to do my templates. And when when I make my transfers. So I pipe them on the cello sheet that is 6 inches. And when I do that, I try to have a larger laminated background or even piece of cardstock, and then tape or even clip my cello sheet on top. Well, this way I know I'm going to have plenty of room and keep my designs in this little area of my template square. So this one, I want to change the color and make it white. Okay, so I have my 6.5 inch square and my 6-inch square. I'm going to go ahead and hide my 6.5 inch square, and I'm going to upload, if I had an image that I had drawn or commercial clip art that I had purchased, or use the images in Design Space that I'm doing tonight. And I am going to be making hearts pepperoni for your cheesy Valentine little pizza sets. So I'm going to get my little hearts, and I really like this heart. It doesn't matter that it's not solid, because as long as I have that outside, then I know I'm going to flood the inside. Or you could go through and you could choose it. I mean, they have a ton of hearts here, but I really like this heart, so we're going to add this one to the canvas. Now, I know this guy's too big for what I need. So I'm going to go ahead and put, for his width, I'm going to say 0.7. And let's see how that brings him. That's a perfect size to me. He's 3/4 of an inch. And then we're going to duplicate him. We'll do 4 times, 5 times. We'll see where that gets us. Then we're going to bring these, kind of spread them out a little bit. We won't need that one because we want there to be enough space in between them. I'm going to hide my square and just click on the little eyeball there. So I know I want to distribute those horizontally, and then I want to align them to the top. Okay? I deleted that other one I shouldn't have. I'm going to duplicate this, and I'm going to bring this guy over to the side. So now for those, I'm going to duplicate, and we'll see if I can get it. If not, I'll have to group it and then duplicate, and I messed it up. So let's group this one, then duplicate it. I'm horrible with that. I always end up messing that part up. Now, I'm going to align those to the left, group those, and if you want them all to be the same size, go ahead and duplicate that again. And you have, let's see how tall you might want to give a little more space in between, but would be good. You might break that apart again and get some more, but what I'm going to do is bring this guy back over, And let's make him 0.9. I'm going to make him a little bit bigger. Then we're going to duplicate. We probably have 4 of him that will fit, maybe, hopefully. Okay, so now we're going to highlight that one. We want to distribute those. Did it distribute? And then I'm going to align to the top and then group and duplicate. And I'm going to ungroup this one real quick. I just want to spread that out a little more. And we're going to align all of these to the left and then group. We're going to open back up to where we can see the gray. And I'm going to center this. And I'm going to change that background now to white. And I don't want to waste my ink color, so I'm just going to turn this to a gray, black, whichever you want to do. Now, we don't want this to be a cut. We need this to be a print then cut because we're wanting to print it. So I'm going to highlight this, flatten, and this has made this a print then cut. So all we have to do now is say make it. And it's good, it's squared in there, it's centered in there, and I'm going to do continue. And then I'll send to printer. And I choose with the printer that I want to send it to. I don't add bleed because I'm just going to print this. And then I will trim that bottom off. I'm not even going to send it through my Cricut to the cutting machine because then I'll send this through on my laminator. So this will be the first part of this series. I'm going to make another video showing how the template turned out and making the Royal Icing transfers tomorrow, and I will upload that in the next day or two and then be decorating some cookies and uploading. So thank you so much. I hope that you will like my Sweet Adventures cookie clips and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again. Bye.